Hello guys, we'll be solving this logical reasoning question. Let's read the question first. You have 9 marbles. They have shown the 9 marbles here. 8 of them weigh 1 gram each. So 8 of them are 1 gram each. And the one of them is 1.1 gram. The 9 marbles are all uniform in size, appearance, and shape. You can see that all the marbles are of same size. You can't identify which is heaviest among them, which is the 1.1 gram among them. You have access to a balance scale containing 2 trays. So you have this scale here, which has 2 trays. You'll be using that for weighing them against each other and to decide which one is heavy. And you may use the balance only twice. You must determine which of the 9 marbles is the heavier one using the balance only twice. So among these 9 marbles, we have to find out which one is 1.1 gram by using this balance only twice. You can stop this video for a moment, think over your strategy, and come back. All right, let's solve this then. So let's say that we have 9 marbles as they have shown in the picture here. Yeah, okay, and let's make a group of 3. So you have 1 group, 2 group, and 3. Okay, let's say that one of the group is having this 1.1 gram marble, which is this. So our first attempt is, to identify the grouping here. So as we have 9, can we make a group of 3, 3? So let's say 3, 3, and 3 here. Let's say that this group is having 1.1 gram marble. What you can do is, if you weigh these 2 groups, you can automatically know that this group is having the heavy marble. Or if you weigh the top and the bottom one, you know that they both are equal, so that the third one, which is here, the middle one, which is left over, has the heavy marble. So anyhow, from both any of the method you use, you'll get to know that this group has the heavy marble. So let's take that group now. Here, we have already used 1 chance of weighing the marbles by using the balance. We have 1 more chance. How will be using that chance to figure out which one is heavy? Okay, so what will you do is here, if you weigh these 2 against each other, you'll know that whichever is heavy will go down and that marble is heavy. Or if you weigh these 2 together, yeah, they'll be equal. You know that the third one, which is on the table, which is left over, is going to be the heavy marble. So either way, you'll get to know which is the heavy marble, which is 1.1 gram. Got it? I hope you enjoyed this question. I'll see you soon.